Understanding Take Back a Promise, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, take back a promise. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering the subtleties of English communication. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important to know. Take back a promise refers to the act of withdrawing, revoking, or reneging on a promise that one has made. When someone makes a promise, they are giving their word to do something in the future. However, if they take it back, they are essentially saying they no longer intend to honor that commitment. This phrase captures a specific kind of social or interpersonal action that can have significant implications in relationships and communication. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Imagine a friend promises to lend you a book but later decides not to. They might say, "I'm sorry, but I have to take back my promise to lend you the book. I realized I need it for a class." A parent might promise their child a trip to the amusement park but then learn about an unexpected work commitment. They would have to take back their promise, explaining the situation to their child. These examples show that taking back a promise usually involves a change in circumstances or a realization that the promise cannot be kept. Taking back a promise can affect trust and reliability in relationships. It's important to understand that while sometimes it's necessary to take back a promise due to unforeseen circumstances, doing so frequently can lead to people questioning one's reliability and integrity. Communication is key. Explaining the reasons for not being able to fulfill a promise can help mitigate negative feelings and preserve relationships. When you need to use this phrase, it's crucial to be empathetic and considerate. Acknowledge the disappointment it may cause, explain your reasons clearly, and, if possible, offer an alternative solution or compensation. For example, "I regret to say that I must take back my promise to help you move this weekend due to a family emergency. Can I help you find another solution or assist you at another time?" Understanding the phrase, take back a promise, enriches your English communication skills, especially in navigating complex interpersonal situations. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into making and managing promises in English. Remember, clear and compassionate communication is key to handling such situations gracefully. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.